I'm Bronwyn Home, and at Earthfood in our Urban Homestead, which is a standard backyard in the suburbs, we show how you could feed a family of 4, 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. And we've made a pretend balcony at the end of our driveway so that if you're in a high rise, you don't miss out. You too can feed a couple 3 meals a day, 7 days a week. Our goal is to teach people how easy it is to save money and time, to work with soil biome. I'm talking about replacing the things that are killing your soil. So come with me, I'm Bronwyn Home, and at the Urban Homestead with Earthfood Soil Microbes, we'll be bringing back the garden you had or getting the garden you dreamed. This will grow my potatoes on my pretend balcony. One laundry basket, some sugarcane mulch because I live in Queensland, but I'm sure wherever you are in Australia, you will have something that's similar. Then we've got our topsoil, which I'll mix with a little bit of mushroom compost, and then we'll pop that together. So here it goes. So what I'm doing here is filling up the sides, doing a little bit at a time because the sugarcane mulch will collapse inside. So we've got that there, now I've got that soil, and now I build more around the edge. And I just do it a little bit at a time. Let's not rush these things. It's very dusty and it's up my nose. And you don't have to worry about what's in here. The microbes are soil microbes. They're carnivorous, nitrifying soil microbes. They clean up the soil. That's their job. These have been used on mining sites, so they know what to do. It's actually a soil intelligence. We don't have to just get out of their way. They know what to do, better than we'd ever know. So you can see, no effort. Even if I was in a wheelchair, I could manage this. We just do a bit at a time. Now I'm going to start putting in my potatoes as I go. Okay, so I've got Pontiac potatoes and royal blue. The reason being is because I think that they taste nice, they grow fairly easily, and they don't get too big, so you can actually fit quite a few in here. We are going to be planting sweet potatoes as well, the little golden ones, and if we can find some purple ones, we will. But today is to show you where we're at. So this is as far as I got. I've got potatoes all through here, and I'll just top this up. Look at this. This is bloody great. I just love this. Can't wait. Can't wait for this to all to grow through. So now more hay. You can see this, the pattern here, can't you? So it's a little bit of this, bit of that, throw them in, Bob's your uncle, and easy done. So I'll finish this and I'll come back to you. These are the sweet potatoes that I've gone in. We've just got the gold ones for now. I'll do something else a bit later, but oh my God, look at this thing, Graham.
Yeah, I know. It was a freebie. We're not spending any money. You said don't spend any money.
I just refuse to support big cartels selling us stuff that only lasts a few months. So that's I'd rather have something like this that's been around for bloody donkey's years.
Yeah, it's got a bit of patina, that's for sure.
Oh well, that's the way I like it. So I'm just going to finish this off now. I'm actually thinking, Graham, I might put some of the seedlings on top and get something to grow upwards, because we always need to be thinking of up. Vertical. Yeah,
but it's just like a syntropic garden. You've got many different plants in the one bit of soil, and they share nutrients, you know.
That's it.
Okay.
Something that's going to be lasting a small amount of time to grow. Not something that needs a long time, because by the time you have these potatoes ready for harvesting, we'll be tipping this whole thing upside down on a tarp on our balcony, remember? And that means whatever's growing on top must be done.
We've got some cauliflower, would that?
Too much. I think something like
not tomato, strawberries, yeah.
Or no, strawberries can last a bit longer. Maybe some flowers.
All right,
That'd look pretty.
we're going to have a pause, and we'll tell you what we decided in about 2 seconds. All right. Okay, here we are. So we decided with, what are we putting there, Bronnie?
Just an assortment of our seedlings, because this will be quite full and green in a very short period of time. I'm just going to add a little bit more on top of here. And the reason why I'm doing this is because we're not wasting any space. So this here is now our greens, which we will use as part of our daily food, and the potatoes will eventually sprout out the sides. By the time these are done, we'll be able to tip the potatoes over and harvest that way.
And because we're sharing the plant life in the soil. If you look at the video on the website with the syntropic farming, this is sort of a mini version of syntropic farming. We get all the life in the soil. That means all extra plant life in there, and they'll share nutrients. They'll farm those microbes to get more microbes, and we're going to put some flowers in too.
I just thought, let's just do it anyway.
Okay. Well, the bees have got to have something. We do keep a beehive here, and actually, I'm not too sure how that goes on a balcony, but maybe.
I don't know.
They're a bit funny about
council.
biosecurity and all that sort of rubbish, aren't they? You know. Even here on our block, we've had a little bit of trouble with the council and the beehives. So, not that they've caused any problems, but people love to complain.
Apparently, bees are a nuisance, quote unquote.
Well, only a nuisance when I go in there and get stung, but apart from that, that's my problem, you know.
Isn't that what the council said?
Yeah, but unfortunately we've had to shut the beehives down, not because of council, but because of varroa mites. So we're working on some solutions for that. Hopefully we can come up with something, but we're working with other beekeepers and we've come up with a device we're testing at the moment. So hopefully, because we really need bees. I think the government's really underestimated why we need the bees. Without bees, you certainly lose a lot of your ability to grow food. They're desperately needed. Yeah.
So never have exposed soil. Soil is always covered, as what I've just done here. Now, this is quite rough right now. However, in another couple of days, we'll be seeing big changes. The plants will be standing up and starting to grow. You're Earthfood.com. If you like our content and you think that this isn't aligned with where you're at with right now and you want to make a better life for yourself, well then just subscribe to this channel right now and then share it. Make some comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. We really do, because that helps us to make sure that we're giving you the information that you like to know more about. The other thing is, go to our website, yourearthfood.com, and subscribe. Because we work with scientists, we work with people who are doing the front of the edge information, we want to make sure you get it first, because that's what you're interested in.